Do that. There. This is the inaugural race. A couple spectators. Concerned mothers. Here's our pack. Up till now these guys are all buddies. See how things go after this.
Yeah.
Are they gonna drop? Oh, he's gonna drop the green flag then, huh? They all got to get even coming in here. Whoever's on the inside is gonna have the advantage here. Or are they gonna go from the top? There they go, and they're off. Oh, whoa! He's up on two wheels. One. Martin's our leader. Two. You gonna lap somebody here? Three. Four. Man, he's motoring. Oh, the old inside cut. 6. Seven.
Oh, it's already finished.